It's the world. I'm in P world. As y'all know, I'm back reacting because all of the teams I care about are out of the playoffs. So I get to sit back and, you know, do some reactions because I will not be watching these games because I don't give a damn about any of these teams. I'm a huge fan of Ja Morant and the Grizzlies. Major fan. And I'm also a fan of Steph Curry. So this is going to be a nice series for me to watch. Two great teams. I like guys on both squads, bro. You know what I'm saying? I like Jordan Poole. You feel me? I like Clay. And on Memphis, you know, I like Ja. I like their whole drip, man. I like Steven Adams. I like the whole, you know, yeah, Bang. I like them all, bro. Dylan Brooks. This should be a good series right here, man. I think I got the Warriors handling this, but I don't know though, cause okay, Ja early feeling. Okay, Ja early feeling it. I think I do got the Warriors taking this just off of experience, and they got more shooters, but I can't really say that because Bang's a good shooter. Ja could shoot sometimes, not as much. And Brooks could shoot too, you know what I'm saying? So, I don't know. Niggas letting Gary Payton do this, bro.
He's got to take it personal if they're going to defend him with a smaller perimeter guy. Gary Payton with the flush goes right at Bane.
He scratched his head.
Good transition defense from Golden State.
See, he can shoot them threes. You know what I'm saying? It's going to be a lot of shooting, bro. I fuck with it heavy. Good cut. How the hell is Jordan Poole not the most improved player, bro? How the hell is that fucking possible? He wasn't even in the voting or nothing. Like, wasn't dude in the G League last year or the year before that or some shit like that? Like, this nigga is an animal this year. Steph Curry went out. He came in and, like, is dropping 30 a night, 25 a night and shit, bro. Hitting 5 threes, 8 threes. Fuck. Okay, Ja. I do like Memphis's atmosphere. Their crowd be turned the fuck up, man. Stadium litty. Okay, Wiggins.
They're better to me when they're just playing in flow and on the attack.
Jackson across the lane. Nice left-handed hook. Jaren Jackson. He's got 12 points.
He shoots right.
I think Jaren Jackson's a better defender than Rudy Goblin. They be hyping up this Rudy Goblin dude. Bro, if Ja Morant was a real deal three-point shooter, he would be a dangerous fucking player, bro. He could shoot the three, though. I just wish he shot it more, like, or worked on it in the offseason so that he's a real threat from that three-point line, bro. Damn, Draymond Green ejected? I didn't even see what happened. Let me see. That wasn't no flagrant. Damn. That could be a game changer. Whoa. I don't think I ever seen a Steph floater get blocked. Bro, and that's the thing about Memphis, bro. They turned, bro. Energy's just unmatched. And one. Oh, he said he can't guard me. Who he say that about? He said about Kuminga? Y'all better chill with all that. See how they just sag off Ja because they know he might not shoot the three, but if he does and makes them, it's dangerous. That's beautiful, man.
On Tillman. In the first half, they had him just the opposite. Draymond was guarding Tillman as Curry hits another.
Curry's found some space inside the arc last couple of possessions, and it's back to Morant. Tries another three. That one hits the front of the rim. Pass deflected or shot deflected, and here comes Wiggins. Back to Curry. Up top.
Damn.
Corner three. It's good, and Golden State regains the lead.
Don't nobody do that better than Golden State, bro.
And the foul. Entry pass is being made. Arm wrapped around. Third foul on Wiggins. Jumper from Jackson comes right back. Reverses.
All right, Jackson.
Jackson. Wiggins gets inside. Shot blocked by Jackson. Morant on a crossover. The layup is good. Another John 10. And the Grizzlies go up by 3. Thompson feed inside to Looney. Looney throws it back out. Poole, nobody near him. And Poole knocks down the 3. A 5-point lead for Golden State, their largest of the game. Morant the rebound. And Morant has been rebounding deep into the playoffs. Jackson a 3. It's good. Jeffers Jackson Jr.
That boy came out shooting.
In the game as
Oh, no, he didn't.
lines up another three. They're reluctant to switch Morant on to Curry.
Wiggins.
Impressive shooting, Jackson.
Great defense by Clark.
Poole gets inside.
Look at Poole, bro.
It's good. Another slick move from Jordan Poole.
He's a 1-of-1.
Curry to Poole. Poole. He nails it.
How's that dude not most improved, bro? You fucking kidding me?
Now big shots, and it's a 1-point game. Curry gets a good look off the screen. Knocks down a three-pointer. That's his 4th three-pointer. 21 for Curry. Thompson goes backdoor and throws it down. Again, the
Klay Thompson with the rim grazer.
ragged possession.
I swear Klay Thompson will be a beast if he take that fucking headband off, bro. Trust me.
Bags for him.
He'll get back to his old ways.
Jones three-pointer. Puts it in.
What kind of defense is that, Klay? What the fuck?
2. It's a 1-point game. We heard Steve Kerr talking to him, instilling confidence in him. Thompson to Poole. Poole, long three-pointer.
Oh my! How is he not the most improved player?
Poole, long three.
Let me move it back a little bit, man. Whole 2K animation, whole everything.
Poole, long three-pointer. It's good.
Bro, 2 defenders. Bro, how's this dude not most improved, bro? How's he not even in the lineup for most improved?
Thompson, one dribble, pull up, jumper in and out.
Look at him. Hustle, grit, can shoot, can play make, can attack the rim. Don't make dumb decisions. This kid should have been. This kid should have been most improved, bro. Okay, Ja. Golden State up.
Kicks it out in the corner. Bain, back out Brooks.
That's great recovery.
Jackson for 3. Puts it in.
Bro, they just keep letting that man shoot at the top of the key. He's hot. He's up there again. Ja missed him, though.
Morant gets inside, shoots it
That's a little and one to me. I don't understand.
goes right at him. It's back to 1.
Where's Steve Adams at, fam?
Curry, step back 3. It's good. Steph Curry with his 5th three-pointer.
Is he hurt? Let me do some Googles.
Back tip, but Morant comes up with it. Morant goes at Wiggins, gets in the lane. Scoop layup.
Josh finishing gracefully. I do hope John Morant just chills out on his landing and shit.
Morant, alley-oop. Clark comes down, back up, and he ties the game.
And y'all almost folded on that oop.
Morant looks tired, but that can be very deceiving. Morant kicks it out. Brooks on the drive. Brooks with the flush. A wide open lane.
Oh, they just got him on the bench. Adams ain't even hurt.
Left-handed, and the foul. Morant mania here in Memphis. Curry to drive. Step back three-pointer. In and out. Rebound.
Oh, he got the Roro?
Poole inside
I don't fucking know.
slam.
I'm guessing it's the Roro.
Morant looking. Thompson picks him up. Morant in the paint. Spins inside. Flips it up. Shot is good.
Damn, 2-point game.
Curry the drive.
Woo! Woo! Good pass.
Payton, he banks it in. What a pass and what a finish.
Whoa, they yelling at each other. Oh, turmoil. Wait, why they yelling at each other though? Who's man? Let me see. So that's Jackson's dude up top. Ja got Poole. So that might be 15's dude. Yeah, that's 15's dude. He said, come on. He made it up. That's what you do, man. You fuck up, you go out there and make it happen. Hey, when Cuz be like, bang, that's the scariest shit ever. Bro, amazing defense. Steph Curry. That was great defense. That's why Steph Curry is who he is, fam. What is going on? Foul! Foul! Are these guys high, bro? Not Klay Thompson missing a damn free throw, family. Bro, he missed 2 free throws? Jump ball. Nice timeout. Bro, he put way too much mustard on that shit. Come on, y'all. Bro, this is an easy Ja Morant finish, bro. He finished this in his sleep, bro. Look, bro, just nice and off the glass, brother. It's different when you got that, you know, adrenaline, heart beating, game on the line. Fuck. Perfect opportunity. Damn. Steph's turn. He said I did that shit. Wow. This will be an interesting series, family. And it came down to the wire, so I can't really say like the Warriors beat their ass or they had a huge edge on them or nothing like that, bro. So I'll be tuned into this for surely, man. Make sure y'all holler at me in the comments. Who y'all got? Grizz? Warriors? Till next time, it's the world.